Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna talk about Travail, means hard working. According to me, every time in life we should get support from hard working. This is the only sport which will never leave you alone because hard working will never in vain. In any way, we will must find its outturn. We can be capable only by the hard working. Life according to me.